Alright guys, so this is the PUBG Mobile. Let me just go into the settings option just to see what we're looking at as far as graphics, HD and high. So I'm just gonna rock with that. Let's go ahead, and you do get the option to set it to a higher graphics setting. I'll show you what's the highest setting in just a minute once we enter the level. Okay guys, so let me go here into settings and click graphics and click HDR, Ultra HD. So we get HDR, and that's the highest it goes up to. Oh, let me mute this because people are like talking. And so you can see we can move around. It's just like a joystick. It vibrates as well. Just want to let you know it vibrates. You can customize the angle. I'll put it here so you guys can see a little bit better. Let me tilt it up a little bit better so it's more customizable for my eye. But you could see it's really smooth. The performance, there's no headaches, hiccups, belly aches, or anything like that. Look how smooth that looks. Let me just pause it, and then when we land, I'll resume. Alright guys, so this looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely smooth on here. Let's just go ahead. You can see we do have the option to go ahead and just like play with this joystick thing on the bottom. It's really easy to use, really customizable. You can see all the buttons work perfectly fine. It's really fast, really snappy. You kind of have to get used to the buttons though. Okay, so that was like a easy kill. Let me see if there's anybody else coming. Oh! Alright guys, so we're gonna play a little bit of Call of Duty Mobile on the G8X ThinQ. So what I want to go ahead and do is just show you what the graphics are set at. They're actually at very high. You can also customize this to the max as well. So I think that's pretty cool. I did customize my joystick to accommodate all of the buttons. We're gonna go into the multiplayer mode. This is the very first time I'm gonna play this game because I just customized it for the buttons. Like I did say in the earlier, you can customize the screen adjustment here. So let me just show you what this looks like when you're playing the Call of Duty Mobile. And hopefully you guys can see this really well and you can make this out. But the screen is really nice, really beautiful. You can customize the brightness right here. Let me turn that all the way up. Wow, the frames look really fast.
Hardpoint identified. We tied for the lead. Enemy inside. Hostiles have the hardpoint. We lost the lead. Reloading. Hardpoint is out.
Okay, that was good. Now, I didn't actually set the buttons up perfectly. There's like a glitch the way I did it. So now I actually ran out of ammo. Let me see if I can actually chase this guy down. Okay, so something happened right there. It was really weird. Let me pick up this gun.
Hardpoint identified.
And there's a lot of glitches in this game for some reason. I'm not sure why.
Hardpoint locked down. Sentry gun deployed. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Lost. Stop armor deployed. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was the pretty decent gameplay on the LG G8X ThinQ. Definitely enjoyed that. The Call of Duty, I did have to probably adjust those buttons, go back a little bit and fine tune those a little bit, but Call of Duty played pretty good. PUBG played as good as well. You were able to play really high graphics, and even on your real racing, it was good as well for the Gear Club. So I could definitely recommend this for gaming if you were looking to pick up a budget flagship device in from last year. This is definitely going to be a multitasking beast, gaming beast. You're going to be able to do everything that you need to do if you're going to be gaming and stuff like that. But this is probably one of the better smartphones that I've ever used in 2020. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, but I'll be right with you. Peace.